Follow along with me. 1 cat, 2 cats. 1 dog, 2 dogs. 1 person, 2 persons. Wait, that's not right. 2 people. Well, that's a little weird, but why is that? It's because we have these things called irregular nouns. If you think of a regular noun as a noun that we add s to show plural, like 1 cat, 2 cats, irregular nouns are nouns that don't follow the rule. That's why they're called irregular, because they're not regular. Today, we're going to talk about these irregular nouns. Help you sort these out on your journey to becoming a better, more fluent English speaker. Now, irregular nouns are different because they don't follow that same rule of adding s to form a plural. And some of these irregular nouns, they might change a little bit, and some of them, they might change a lot, and you kind of have to change the entire word, and then some don't change at all. So they are a bit wonky like that. And there are a few very common irregular nouns that we just use every day and we don't think about it too much. And we don't think about why or if there is any pattern to these. And there is a bit of a pattern that these irregular nouns go by, but again, there are exceptions to the rules, and not every irregular noun falls into one of those categories. Some of the most common irregular nouns that you probably already know is 1 person, 2 people, 1 child, 2 children, 1 man, 2 men, 1 woman, 2 women, 1 foot, 2 feet, and 1 tooth, 2 teeth. Those are probably the most common irregular nouns, and we probably already know those. One group of irregular nouns are words that end with F. And often we need to change the words that end in F to a V and add ES. Examples would be wife, wives, knife, knives, life, lives, leaf, leaves, and calf, calves. Now there's others that follow this rule, and then you can find other words that don't follow this rule. But isn't that the fun of learning, huh? So those words change a little bit. Now the next group of words change a bit more. Specifically, the vowels in the middle, like 1 tooth, 2 teeth, 1 foot, 2 feet, 1 man, 2 men, and 1 woman, 2 women. There, we have to change up some of the vowels on the inside. Now, next batch of irregular nouns are nouns that we have to change a whole bunch, and it's practically a whole new word. 1 child, 2 children, 1 person, 2 people, 1 mouse, 2 mice. And then the last bunch of irregular nouns are the nouns that we don't change at all. We don't add s, we don't change anything about them, they stay the same. And it's good to remember that these are usually animals, like 1 deer, 2 deer, 1 fish, 2 fish, 1 sheep, 2 sheep, 1 buffalo, 2 buffalo, and 1 shrimp, 2 shrimp. That's a quick rundown of the most common irregular nouns. Now, there are other irregular nouns with different rules, like octopus and octopi, or octopuses, depending on what you want to use, but we're not going to get into those today. Now, it's time for a little quiz. I'll say the singular, and then you say the plural. You ready? Here we go. Mouse, mice, tooth, teeth, fish, fish, child, children, wife, wives, foot, feet. How'd you do? I think you probably did pretty well. If you can think of any other irregular nouns, go ahead and leave those in the comments down below. If you learned anything or this helped you at all in your journey to becoming a more fluent English speaker, really appreciate a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to the channel where I'm posting one short form video every day and then 1 or 2 long form videos every week. And then I'll see you in the next video, all right? Justin out.